Okay, so we're coming into market open about a minute. So what I would do is I'd set my stop loss for when I buy. For this video, I'm just going to use a line to denote where I buy. If I buy, depending on the price action. It's been channeling in this area. This is number 4 on the top gainers list today. Right now we're up about 46%. It's a continuation move. No breaking news today, so it's continuing off some earlier breaking news. So I'm just watching for market opening. I have my 15-second chart over here, but mainly I'm trading off my 1 minute. So here we are, market opening. I'm looking for it to pull down. Lots of red. Once we see a lot of green start flowing through and the price pulling back up, that's where I'll start looking for my entry. Doing about what I expected. Pulling back hard. I'm starting to see some buys come in. I'm just looking here. Still pulling back. Not really seeing what I want to see. Okay, 3.8. Now we're starting to come the other way. Still not a lot of buy pressure, so this may not be a trade. Let's see what happens. Now it's moving hard. Missed one on Sinai. Let's see if we start getting volume in here, but so far it's just a pullback. Here we go, now we got some green volume. Just not enough. Give it a couple more minutes. Feel like they're manipulating short down to get a pop back to the upside. Probably I would expect it to test the high of pre-market 425 maybe. But that all depends on volume. Right now, all eyes seem to be on SCNI. Looks like we bottomed out here. Yeah, maybe not. Starting to see some more buys flow in, but there's a couple of big ones now. We're starting to see some bigger buys pop up. Not a lot of big sellers. Okay. That big 3,000. Let's see a little more momentum on it. There's a couple of big buyers popping up. Ooh, that was a big buyer. 6,000. Mm, 4,000 right there. Yeah, this one's just kind of slow. I don't know if it's just okay. Let's see. Can we break over that 9? No. Let's look at SCNI. Yeah, that was a good move. That was a really good move. Yeah, I'm just not seeing any momentum on that one. SCNI had a good move, but it just halted down. Yeah, look at that. That's why you gotta be quick on these. Okay, now we're getting a push back up. If we can break over VWAP in the 9. Okay. That's where I would buy. Second. Oh, it didn't put my line. So let's look for the break of the EMA 20. See if it breaks over that, and then we might have something. So I goofed on that one. Okay, whoops, let's move it up here. That's about where I would feel. Now I'm gonna set my stop loss right here. Okay, we're up, so I'm gonna move it into profit. Push up, trail up. Push up, trail up. Push up, trail up. Push up, trail up. 437. Just trailing it up. And we're into a halt. So I would set my stop loss here. Oh, that was a fake. And then I'm out 422. So 377 to 422. So that kind of shows you what my opening range breakout and how I was talking about the using the lines to demonstrate your buy and sell positions. So just so you can delineate, the green is where I bought, and then red is where my stop loss was. So once I bought, even though my stop was down here, I moved it up to the bottom. I saw that, hey, we're in profit, so I moved it slightly into profit, so now we're a profitable trade. And then I just followed the price action up, and we got a false halt. It looked like it was going to halt, but then it pulled back. But luckily we were able to catch it right here. So 45-cent trade there. So anyway, that's how I would do the opening breakout.